Today's training, I'm going to show you how to finish the process Q step for create and send welcome packet. In addition to that, to be able to do the Wednesday postcard, you can choose to prepare the Wednesday postcards on the same day, on Monday, that you're sending the create and send welcome packet. If you're choosing to do that, you're able to select the person and mark them as done for that Monday, and then be able to proceed to printing the mailing labels. If you choose to separate the two tasks, you'll want to go down to the mark as done underneath the Wednesday postcard here to be able to then produce those mailing labels. So it's up to you when you'd like to do that process. You can do both of them at the same time in the create and send welcome packet, or you can choose to do it in the Wednesday postcard. So there's two different options there. If you choose to do it together, you're going to come into the create and send welcome packet. You're going to select the individuals and click the mark as done. We're going to set that date to be the Sunday or the Monday after Easter. So I believe that is that date there, yep. And then we're going to click mark as done for the 22nd. Now we can open up a new tab or click our People's tab here and be able to go to our Save Search, the new guest mailing labels. This will allow us to be able to search to see who was marked as done for that process Q step. So I'm going to change the dates here to reflect the ones that we had just shared, and that it's completed, not added or due, but completed on that date. And save the search. And we'll see that Jane shows up here. This allows me to come over to print labels or name badges, which using some of our Avery label making, you're able to print off those labels to have the address for the family or the primary contact, but we'll just leave families there and be able to print that off. Now, if you chose to do it in two separate steps, first doing the create and send welcome packet on Monday, and then following up with the postcard on Wednesday, you just simply come into the Wednesday postcard, do the same type of step, except you'll choose the Wednesday date. So we'll click mark as done. We'll change this date to be the 24th and click mark as done there. Then in our people search, rather than going to the new guest mailing, we'll go to the Easter postcard new guest mailing for that Wednesday one, and you'll see that her name pops up here because this save search was set up for searching for this date range and being completed for this Q step of the Wednesday postcard. So that'll provide you an opportunity to print the labels, whether you want to do it all on Monday and take care of that at the beginning of the week, or split that into two projects. You have the flexibility to be able to do that for our new guests for Easter.